Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to live stream on TikTok PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up your favorite browser and then just find TikTok Live. Okay, hit on enter and then click on download Live Studio. Then in here, go ahead and scroll down or find the download button right here at the very top. Just click on it and install it via Windows. Okay, if you're using a Windows computer, macOS right here if you're using macOS. So save it wherever you want. And then once that's done, just click on the installer and just wait for a pop-up and then just click on yes. Now close the browser if you want to, and then just go ahead and click on install. Wait for the process to finish right here. Now, once the installation is done, just click on open right here. And that will ask you to log in with your TikTok account. So just make sure that your TikTok account is under a professional or creator account. So let's just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, click on login to begin. I'm going to log in right here. So let's just wait for it. As you can see here, it's now trying to log me in. Okay, so click on get started or just skip the setup right here. So you're going to set it up manually. Okay, here's for portrait and here's for landscape. Now, all you got to do in here is just go ahead over to the left panel. Here we have the scenes, by the way. If you just want to stream landscape, okay, well, select landscape. If you want to stream on both, select this option. So if you want to unlock this one, there will be some things that we need to do. Just live stream for about 25 minutes for 3 times. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just go ahead over to sources. This is what's important. Okay. Here we have game capture, this whole thing. Make sure that you select settings right here. And then when you go ahead and open up a game, it will be listed in here. Or if you want to capture your whole screen, well, close this one, add in what? Click on the plus sign and add a display capture. Okay, if this option is available for you. And then once that's done, make sure that the correct microphone right here is selected. So click on the audio mixer and click on settings, general settings. Click on the drop down, select your microphone. And once that's on, if you want to enable noise suppression and some other stuffs, enable it. Okay, just click on save and finally go ahead and go live. Now, for you to be able to go live, TikTok right here has some prerequisites. Okay, so you must be at least 18 years old. Or for some specific region or country, 16 is enough. Also, you must have at least 1,000 followers. Or sometimes 10,000 followers are needed for non-gaming content. So again, just go ahead and hit on go live right here. And then once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you live stream on TikTok PC. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.